Baby talk nga, hindi naman egg pag pumapakit ka, diba?
Egg is baby talk, right? Right?
Hindi.
No. Oo, egg pwede. No?
Pero dapat, pero hindi yun yung exact. Gusto nila baby talk, hindi sila nagsandag 1 million para sa egyo. Baby talk ang gusto nila.
Ay, sarap because...
Go na!
Wait lang, I need...
Blooms! Thank you, Blooms! For sending sticker! Thank you po!
Ganon!
For the RIP. Charot. For the cry. For the hinimatay.